Hey everyone! So I've gotten some requests to show you how I use my homemade bead loom that I made. If you haven't seen, I did a tutorial on how I made my homemade bead loom. So yeah, today I'm going to make a free bead bracelet. I don't have a pattern that I'm going to follow. I'm just going to kind of go with the flow and do what feels natural. So these are the supplies that I use typically. I've got my beading mat. I just recently got my beading mat. It comes in a pack of 3. Got it from Hobby Lobby. And I have to say that it's pretty amazing. It helps so that they don't spill everywhere. I was using these little containers beforehand. You can get them at Walmart. That's where I get mine. And they stack, so they twist on and stack. But it made it convenient because I could put all the colors that I was using, just twist them all together. I still use that if I'm taking my beads somewhere. These are the colors that I've picked out. I don't know if I'll be using all of them. I use the Miyuki beading brand. I highly recommend them. They are more expensive. Joanns, I believe they're like $7 a little container. The ones at Joanns are bigger. This one from Joanns. These I got at Hobby Lobby, but still you can see this one was $8. Some of them were cheaper. This one was only $7. Most of them range between $5 and $8. So those are the colors I'm going to potentially use. I may add some different ones that aren't shown here. And then I also just got these beading needles, which are amazing. They're specifically for loom work. And then this is the beading thread that I use. I recommend that you use this brand. It is a little bit more on the expensive side again, but it is super good. It doesn't break very easily. It doesn't fray very easily either. Or just nylon thread in general if you're going to be bead looming. Then obviously a pair of scissors and bead loom. So you don't need to buy a beading loom, but if you do, you can get one as cheap as $6 or $7 at Joanns or Walmart. And they can range, you know, all the way up there. This is as expensive as you would think a beading loom would be.